Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own suburban house. Now first to start with, you're going to take out 3 blocks over here for the garage driveway. Go over here, put 3 stone slabs, go up 1 more, to a few blocks, then do a 3x3. Then our garage is going to be right over here. Okay, then when you're finally done with that, you're going to build up the pillars. Then you're going to build up the structure over here, and over here, and over here. Now I'm going to add all the bricks around the house. There we go, we got the garage walls done. We're going to do the garage door. There we go, garage door done. Then you got to do some windows. That we're done with the garage part, we're now going to go into the kitchen, living room, and dining room. Build up the pillars. Just like the other one. Just extend it out. Then you're going to do the same for the bedroom. Okay, now we're going to build up the walls. Then we're going to add the windows. After that, we're going to add shutters. And I don't know what these are called. We're going to add these. We're not going to add one over here. Now we're going to the shutters. Why did I do this? Don't forget to put stuff over here. And also over here. Now we got done with the windows. We're going to put some doors on everything. So we're going to put the floors, we're going to finish the floors inside the garage. Put the door over here, and over here. We're going to put some oak, what is this? Oak wood on the flooring. Then we're going to get some concrete. I prefer white and black for the kitchen flooring. We're going to add the flooring for the bedroom. Then when we're done with that, we're going to add the walls for the bedroom, so it's not just one big old room. I mean, not every house is, you know, spacious. We're gonna place the doors down. Then we're gonna add the sidewalk, connect it to the sidewalk to the house. Then when we're done with that, we're gonna go over here to the slabs, add some diorite slabs, and place them down like this. We're gonna leave a gap right in the center. So we can, you know, do this. And we're going to do it on the rest of them. Now, there's going to be something different about this one in the garage. You're going to leave a gap right here for a ladder going into the attic. Now, we're going to go onto the roof. So here's all the stuff you're going to need for the roof. But you're also going to need some bricks, a glass window, and cobblestone stairs. Now I'm going to do this one first. Put the window there, put the cobblestone stairs there, and put the same thing around the rest of the house. Then when you're done with that, we're going to start on the roof. Now you can pick any wood, but I prefer spruce wood for the roof. And of course you want to leave this nice overhang. Because, you know, it's kind of weird to have a flat wall. Unless you're like a Walmart or something, then you can have a flat wall. We don't see a Walmart being in a suburban neighborhood. It's usually in the shopping area. We're going to put oak wood on the inside of the attic. So it's not all just spruce wood, so we have some kind of variation in the roof. And when you get done with this side of the roof, we're going to copy it onto the other side. Okay, so when you're done with that side of the roof, we're going to go over to this side of the roof. I'm, gonna put oak wood right there, a spruce wood over here. There you go, finish off with some slabs on the top, and you're done with that part of the roof. Now we're gonna start on the second part of the roof. Now this part's gonna go this way. You're gonna make sure it curves into the other roof. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave those oak wood stairs there for a reason. Is so they pair up good with the other parts. We're gonna add more spruce wood. Make sure we get that overhang. Okay, why won't this just... It just will not place in the direction I want it to. Now when I'm finally done with that, we're gonna put 2 spruce blocks, a bunch of oak wood blocks going this way, and spruce slabs, and we're done with the roof. Now that we're done with the structure of the house, we're gonna go into the interior of the house. Add some nice interior. Because your house cannot go wrong without some interior. We're gonna start on the kitchen now. Now these are gonna be cabinets. Furnace over here, crafting table over here. Then we're also gonna get some stairs? Wait a minute. I mean bookshelves. So much mistakes. But nothing wrong with a little bit of mistakes. We're all humans. Okay, we're going to now put in the living, the dining table. The dining area. No table over there. Okay, we're gonna go get a fence post. And a pressure plate. Put it right there. And this room's pretty much done. Now we're getting into the bedroom. Now we're gonna get all the other items you're gonna need. First we're gonna place down our bed. Then we're gonna add a bookshelf that's 3 blocks tall and 2 blocks wide. Then we're gonna add a table with some upside down staircases. Then we're gonna add a painting over here. Then we're gonna add a smaller painting over here. Then we're gonna add a laptop over here for because you know, suburban people also have laptops. Then when you're done with all that, we're going to go over to the next thing, and that will be getting some redstone lamps into the ceiling so we have lights that we can turn on and off. Then when you're finally done with all those redstone lamps, you're going to get some ladders and a trap door of your choice. We're going to put it up here like that and right there. Then when you're finally done with all this stuff, you can go to the front yard here. That probably wasn't a good idea for me to go through the back door. Then add some birchwood fencing. I don't know, front yard fencing. Then when you're done with that, you're gonna get some oakwood fencing and a brown shulker box. You'll build up like that. Then put the mailbox in. Then you're pretty much done.